Here are 5 interesting facts about your car's brakes you didn't know. 9 out of 10 people don't know the last one. 1. Regenerative braking. Electric and hybrid vehicles often use regenerative braking systems. These systems convert some of the kinetic energy back into electrical energy during braking, which can be used to recharge the vehicle's batteries and improve overall efficiency. 2. Disc brakes versus drum brakes. Most modern cars use disc brakes on the front wheels and drum brakes on the rear wheels. Disc brakes are more efficient at dissipating heat and providing stopping power, which is why they are typically used on the front wheels. 3. Anti-lock brakes, ABS. Anti-lock braking systems were first developed for aircraft in the 1920s and later adapted for use in cars. ABS prevents wheels from locking up during hard braking, allowing the driver to maintain steering control. 4. Brake fluid. Brake fluid is a critical component of the braking system. It's a type of hydraulic fluid that transmits force from the brake pedal to the brake calipers or wheel cylinders. It's essential to maintain the right level and quality of brake fluid for proper brake function. 5. Invented by a woman. The first patent for an automobile brake system was granted to Bertha Benz, the wife of automobile inventor Carl Benz. She developed a braking system in 1888 that used leather pads to stop the vehicle.